Hey everyone and welcome back. So I wanted to make this video since a very long time because you know what, I found this chart. I don't know, but I found this chart on Pinterest a very long time ago और ये मेरे album में किधर खो गया था. Some days ago I just found it and I felt like I should try it out.
Okay.
So why not let's try the chubby girl makeup challenge. It's very clear I'm a chubby girl. The first frustrating thing is that yes, I am on steroids, which means that every month it's like I'm gaining 1 to 3 kgs max, and the weight is water weight and the salt weight. As most of the people must be knowing that I have undergone a brain tumor surgery. It's almost been 2 years. It's actually been 2 years, and I've been on heavy medicines since then. I've been on steroids. Currently I am on steroids. Actually pray for me. The next month I'm going to get my fresh MRI done, and based on that MRI my doctors are going to tell me whether he's going to reduce the steroids and reduce the medicines and stuff. So I hope पहले तो ये steroid निकल जाए, because if the steroid tapers down, the excess water weight will just flush out of my body. It's kind of hard to say and also hard to explain to my near and dear ones as they notice me just gaining weight. That see, firstly I've just been on medicines. This is something which is not related to the video, but I felt like I just wanted to address, because not everybody understands why a person is gaining weight. Firstly, I have hormonal issues. I went through a pituitary gland tumor, which is so important for the hormonal function of the body when your menses are not on time. So many things, like it affects your sleep and so many things. Just don't judge anyone. It is a very big thing. Let's just leave that topic now and let's start, because I wanted to try it out since a very long time and it looks actually really cute. So let's go into the video. I have my makeup kit here. The only thing that I do not have is contour. Contour की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं थी. First, I didn't even understand why is a contour used for, and secondly, when I used to see videos of makeup, I felt like contour करके मेरे face का कुछ cutting वटिंग slim दिखने वाला नहीं है. As an alternative, I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills ka. I don't know what it is.
Oh shit, not good.
Okay, yeah, this is for the brows. So, and I really like the color. Let's try this if this works. I have a feeling that this might not blend, but why not? Let's give it a try. Okay, so I'm just gonna have the chart beside me so you can also see how they have actually given where and what to do. जो भी लिखा है. There are no steps given as of such, so I think so I'm just gonna go first with my primer from Inside. So primer is done. I feel like the next thing I should go is, I wish ये लोग steps देते. That would have made it so much more easier. Okay, you know what? I'm just starting with concealer because that is the thing that I do in every makeup video. Now I have the infallible concealer, but ये literally skin shade का है. So over there it's more like white, so I have a light concealer. I feel like I should go and use that. What I can see is she's done on 4 areas, which is under her eyes, cheeks and eyebrows के ऊपर. So let's do that. Oh, okay. She has it on her nose as well. There's a tip as well. I hope everything's looking good. Let me just blend it. Concealer is done. Next, I am going with my blush. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Sheer For It tint. This is my current favorite. I am really confused whether I should use this water tint or do have the powder one as well from She Glam. I don't know. I think so I'm going with the powder one. I usually never do it here. So picture में ऐसा दिखाया है, they have extended it outwards, but what I do it on this area. This is what I like and what suits me. I personally feel it just makes me look cuter, and I have an opinion that when you do it outwards, it makes your face feel much more broader. But let's just try it today. Okay, this is like really sheer. I need more. Blush is done. So now let's just move on to the contour part. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow filler. I don't know what it is. The color looks fine. Pigmented hai, काफी pigmented hai, but it's like squishy. So she has done forehead, nose, cheeks and jawline. Let's see if this makes me face slimmer.
नहीं.
I don't know why, I just have a really bad feeling about this.
One eternity later.
I feel that's it. Yeah, let's go and blend it. No, wait, this is not even blending.
2 hours later.
This was one of the most worst technique I could have done. Whatever this was, I think so it's also perfect for people who want to cover their bald areas but not for contouring. Best alternative option is either going with brown eyeshadow. That was something that मुझे ऐसा लगा मुझे वीडियो बंद कर देना चाहिए. I'm gonna go with the palette that I have and the appropriate color. मुझे ऐसा लगता है I need to use this. I'm so sorry guys, this is the cringiest video you must have seen on YouTube today.
One eternity later.
I'm done with contouring. I don't know how much difference it has made, but let's just move to the next part. Wait, I was thinking there is no foundation. Why is there no foundation? Was there no foundation? Let's just go with the highlighter now. I'm using the same She Glam palette for the highlighter. This was the blush, this is the highlighter. I like highlighting with my finger, so let's just go with the finger. Highlighting is done. So whatever I can see, highlighting is done on two areas of her face, the cheekbones and here just under her eyebrows. Now I'm going to move on to the lips and I have a lip liner. I'm going to use, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा that has she used a lip liner or not, but me personally I'm just going with a lip liner. It is this color, Catfish from Inside. Lip shades for chubby face is all within the nudish and the coral and the mauves. So I'm just going to go with the e.l.f. lip tint. This is something that's really sheer and really light. It moisturizes also. Not sponsored by the way. I just feel जो face मुझे उसका दिख रहा है, उसका same exact color this gives. So I'm going to go with this one. I feel like it's coming together. Okay, great. I just found out there's a bronzer as well and I do not have a bronzer. So simple, I'm just going to skip it. I do not have things. I do not have alternate things also. So let's just skip that and let's move to the eyes.
Okay.
So for eyes, I'm just going to use this palette. जो मेरे सामने था, I'm just using this. This is the Swiss Beauty Passport palette. This has everything what I can see from the chart. So let's start. So eyes के लिए what I can see is there is a transition shade. I'm just gonna go with the outer corner first because when I do that it's much simpler for me to do the outer corner. I'm just gonna go with the shade I did my bronzer with. So for transition, I feel like going in with this one. As highlighted on her inner corner, which I don't feel they have mentioned. I'm taking this shimmer shade. I'm just gonna apply it on my lids. For the wing liner, I'm gonna go with the OG Lakme wing liner. Let me just do this off camera and come back. Last but not the least, what I feel is mascara. मेरे पास 2 साल से सिर्फ एक mascara. This is from Swiss Beauty. I desperately need a new one. Oh, I just found out that my mascara is literally dried up. Mascara is done. I somewhat have a feeling that something is just not right on my face. I don't know, I'm just not feeling the confident जो मुझे हमेशा होता है whenever I make a makeup video. One thing that I genuinely feel that there is no foundation which is making me, it's making me look grainy, and I don't know, I'm just not really satisfied.
कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Okay, yeah, so I feel like I have come to the end. There is no lip gloss, which is weird. One thing I forgot, that I need to put highlighter on the inner corner, so let me just do that real quick. I feel like I just need to do my hair. Let me just be back. I am literally not satisfied having this chart next to me because I am not just feeling confident. I'm just having कि मुझे खुद को देख के ऐसा लग रहा है the makeup is not complete. Firstly, what I can notice is that my face is looking a lot more grainier. I don't know if it's just the hormone thing, but I feel like foundation थोड़ा इसको hide कर देता है. See, you can see it very clearly. This area, I have my forehead area. This area, it's looking really bad. In my opinion, I do not approve this chart at all. The makeup looks decent, but it's just the overall क्योंकि मैंने foundation use नहीं किया, I just making the whole image look very bad. मुझे ज़्यादा blush का दिख नहीं रहा है. I can see the contour. I really don't know if that's making a difference, or maybe I was using the contour for first time. मुझे करना नहीं आया. Yes, I feel for blush I would always stick to what I do over here. That just makes me feel much more confident. I really do not like extending it upwards like to my temples. Iski jo eyes hai, there's much of pink eyeshadows going on, while my is very little. Yeah, I am not really satisfied with it. Not in a mood. I do not intend to continue this video further. मेरे पास कुछ है ही नहीं बाकी बोलने के लिए. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I personally did not like this. Please, whoever the girls, I do not recommend this chart. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or didn't like this video, मत like करना, पर अगर तुम्हें पसंद आया, if you feel that this is a really good chart, then you can go ahead, follow it, take a screenshot of this. I'll meet you in the next one. Yeah, bye till then.